Hello, children. Good morning. How are you all? I hope all of you are good and fine. So, today we are here again to discuss about the rest of the chapter on the basis of this lesson, that is computer virus. So, we already have discussed many things about viruses, isn't it? So we know now, at present we know that what is virus, what are the causes of virus, and how they are transferred, and what are the types of viruses. Yes, in this chapter we have gone through these topics. Yes, and if you did not write any problems in the comment section box, so I consider that you have understood this chapter. Okay, so and be prepared for your test. Most probably the next week you have your test. So please follow our website, school website, where your routine is being uploaded. Okay, so uh, now we I just wanted to give you the syllabus of this chapter of this test. That is, your syllabus is the computer ethics, the chapter number 10. Okay, that is computer ethics. So do study well and try to score the full marks in this test. Okay, so what I told you, your syllabus is computer ethics, the lesson number 10. Okay, so now I just wanted to mention you that one more thing, that which is very much important. The topic is protection from the computer viruses. So already we have discussed what is virus and how they are transferred. So they they can be transferred from one computer to another computer in many ways, isn't it? They can transfer through the devices, external devices like pen drive, flash drive, etc. They are able to transfer from themselves to one computer to another computer via emails. Also, if they are able to transfer from system to system via network also. Yes, so we already have discussed this in our earlier classes, isn't it? Now today's class, in this class we are here to discuss about the protection from computer viruses. So virus is there to protect ourselves from the natural viruses. What we have to take, we need medicines, isn't it? Like now, if you compare, the coronavirus season is going on, so no vaccines are has been made till yet, so that no vaccine is there, isn't it? But then also peoples are recovered by taking some of the medicine. At least they are using some chloroquine medicines, and they are taking uh, the different types of medicines, isn't it? Similarly, to keep our system safe from the virus, we need also medicine. Our system also need medicine. What type of medicine it needs? They needs the antivirus program. Virus is what? According to the computer language, virus is a simple program, unwanted program, isn't it? So to keep your system safe from your viruses, unwanted viruses, we need antivirus program. If an antivirus program like Quickheal, Avast, Kaspersky, if we install this type of, there are lots of antivirus programs are available in the market. If we install any one of them in our computer, so our computer will be safe from our viruses. Yes, I think this word you are now it is very that familiar with your immunity system. We need to improve our immunity system to fight with the coronavirus, isn't it? Immunity system. Have you heard the word immunity system? The similar way, if you need to strong and if you need to make your system strong enough, we need an antivirus, okay, which fights against the viruses and protect our system safe from the viruses. Clear? Always do one thing. See, computer computer is not computer is not making human beings. Human beings made it, isn't it? So whenever you are able to understand, whenever we if you also discussing something, a topic, always compare that topic with the natural thing, then it will be very easy for you to understand. Okay, like for example, I'm giving you one example, that coronavirus immunity system, like that. If you compare the thing with your nature, that natural thing that are occurring or happening outside around us, if we comparing the existing one with the topic, then it will be clear to you, and it will be that keep remember forever. Okay, so to immunity, where was I? So I told you that if we need to make our immunity system strong, we need to take some medicine, we need to take some precautions, isn't it, to fight the coronavirus. Similarly, if we need to make our system safe, we need an antivirus. Antivirus is a program. It is also a program developed by the developer or software developer. Okay, so why it is made? To protect the system safe from the virus. Okay, let's discuss some of the precautions. What precautions we are able to follow? We have to follow. Okay, the latest and updated version of antivirus and firewall should be installed on the computer. So one more thing, another word, firewall, it is not like that firing the wall. Okay, so it is not like that. It is actually it is a program installed in the computer already. Whenever you are installing a software or operating system, always a firewall program is installed with it. Okay, so latest version of antivirus. So antivirus, you know, there are lots of antiviruses. Examples are given, like Kaspersky, Avast. Okay, so a Quick Heal. Okay, so McAfee. There are lots of antiviruses are there. So always you have to update the antivirus such a way. Why it is needed? Because whenever you are just updating the antivirus, it gets the power to protect your system from the viruses. Okay, and I also mention a word, that is firewall. I told you that it is not that keep hiding a wall. This is not the like that. This is not like that. Firewall is a program already installed into your computer. Okay, we for this we no need to install anything. Okay, firewall is present in your computer. Why it is needed? Firewall, what it does, what it works, how it works. Okay, so firewall, whenever we just on the firewall program in our computer, it creates a wall around the system. Okay, wall around the system such a way that no one can access your information without your permission. That means unauthorized access is completely banned. Okay, whenever someone requests some other person, the unauthorized person send you request, firewall first of all decide whether it is important or not, or genuine or not. If it is not that genuine, it requests send back to the that unauthorized users. They are not allowing the user to access your computer. system. Okay, so I must say that in our next class, that is on Monday, we will discuss this topic. We will go to learn us something in different way. This word, particularly firewall, we will discuss it on Monday. Okay, so we need to, so let's continue to this. Comes to the next point, the antivirus software must be upgraded regularly. Okay, next comes to the USB drive should be scanned for viruses and should not be used or infected computers. That means once you are using a software like antivirus, whenever you are inserting a pen drive or USB drives like a pen drive, whenever you are inserting it into your computer, first of all, before opening the pen drive, first of all you need to scan the pen drive whether it is virus free or not. If it has virus, then try to remove it first, then you open the that pen drive. Okay, so whenever you are using a antivirus directly do the same thing only. First of all, it is not allow the pen drive to open directly. Okay, so first of all, a message will come, there is a notification will come like virus threats, that virus detected, threats detected, like this. So whenever you need to open this, you need to scan it and remove the viruses before opening it. Okay, next comes junk and unknown emails should not be opened. Junk and email, that is spam messages, spam emails may come. So I already told you that you are not allowed to open that type of files which has some unauthorized or unknown people has sent this, or unauthorized access is there. Okay, so we should not open that directly or straightly, we need to delete it. Okay, next, unauthorized or pirated software should not be installed on your computer. Now unauthorized, the word unauthorized means not genuine. Okay, the meaning of unauthorized is not genuine. And the pirated software, you know what is pirated software, that is the copy of the original software. We should not install that type of softwares. Next, an important way of protection against virus is the use of backup of data. The backup is used, the backup is used if the virus deletes data or modifies it. So the important way is that whenever we are using or whenever we are saving our information, we need to create a backup. If a virus deletes the original one, we can uh, get the files from our backup. Okay, so freeware or shareware softwares from the internet normally contains viruses. Freeware, which is the softwares are free to use, these are called freeware, and the shareware softwares we should not use. Okay, they may take some viruses, they may have. So next one, your best protection is your common sense. Never click a suspicious link. Never download songs, videos, files from suspicious websites. If you are looking for a song, there are lots of websites are present in the internet. So we should not open the link which are not genuine. If we click on it or open or download the files, then viruses may get inserted in your computer. So these are the that precautions we need to follow while using a computer. If we follow this, our computer may safe. Okay, we can keep our computer safe. And another more thing, the word I already told you, firewall. In the next class, surely I will talk about with this topic in elaborate way, because it is not, firewall is not a topic, it is a big topic. Okay, it is a not small topic that I have given 2 lines of it. It is not enough. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss it. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.